Hello and welcome to today's essay writing masterclass. In this session, we're going to cover a topic that's highly relevant in today's financial landscape: impact of cryptocurrency on the global financial system. This essay is ideal for learners preparing for competitive exams, academic writing, or anyone wanting to sharpen their perspective on the crypto revolution. Let's begin by walking through how we've structured this essay and why. We've broken this essay into 6 well-defined sections: introduction, to set the context; disruptive power of decentralization, the core value proposition of crypto; monetary policy and regulation, what governments are concerned about; volatility and systemic risk, the darker side of digital assets; opportunities and innovation, the potential for positive transformation; conclusion, tying it all together with balance and foresight. Each point has been selected to cover all dimensions of the topic: economic, technological, regulatory, and social. Now, let's get into the full essay. Essay begins. In the past decade, cryptocurrencies have transitioned from fringe financial novelties to powerful disruptors of the global financial system. Born out of the 2008 financial crisis, Bitcoin, the first and most prominent cryptocurrency, was envisioned as an alternative to centralized banking. Since then, the rise of digital assets has raised fundamental questions about the future of money, monetary sovereignty, and the stability of financial institutions. At the core of cryptocurrencies lies blockchain technology, which enables secure, peer-to-peer transactions without the need for traditional intermediaries. This decentralization challenges the conventional banking model, which has long acted as the gatekeeper of financial exchange. With cryptocurrencies, individuals can send and receive money globally, nearly instantaneously, and often at lower costs. This shift is particularly impactful for cross-border payments and financial inclusion in underserved regions. In addition, decentralized finance, or DeFi platforms, now allow users to lend, borrow, and invest without involving banks or brokers. While revolutionary, this raises serious concerns around regulation, financial integrity, and consumer protection. One of the biggest challenges cryptocurrencies pose is to national monetary policy. Central banks manage inflation and economic growth by controlling interest rates and the money supply. But if people increasingly rely on decentralized digital currencies, central banks could lose their influence over economic levers. Some countries like El Salvador have embraced crypto fully. Others, such as China, have imposed outright bans. Meanwhile, several governments are experimenting with central bank digital currencies, known as CBDCs, as a way to combine digital convenience with regulatory control. Cryptocurrencies are also highly volatile. Take Bitcoin, for example. It has swung between $69,000 and below $20,000 in just a matter of months. Such dramatic price movements make cryptocurrencies unreliable as a store of value or medium of exchange. If financial institutions or retail investors hold large positions in these assets, a sudden crash could ripple through the broader financial system. The collapse of FTX Exchange in 2022 was a wake-up call. It revealed how unregulated markets, poor governance, and lack of transparency can lead to catastrophic losses. Despite these risks, the promise of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology remains compelling. They offer real opportunities for financial innovation. Smart contracts can automate business processes and reduce fraud. Tokenized assets can make real estate and art investments accessible to the average person. And in economies plagued by hyperinflation or banking exclusion, crypto can serve as a financial lifeline. The technology also has applications far beyond currency, from supply chain transparency to identity verification. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies are a double edged sword. They offer powerful tools for democratizing finance, increasing efficiency, and fostering innovation. But they also bring volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and systemic risks. The key is not to resist them or ignore them, but to integrate them thoughtfully. With smart regulation, ethical innovation, and global cooperation, cryptocurrencies can enhance the global financial system rather than disrupt it beyond repair. And that's how you write a strong, high scoring essay on the impact of cryptocurrency on global finance. Clear structure, balanced analysis, and real world relevance. That's the formula. If you found this useful, feel free to share it with others. And stay tuned for more essay writing guides on topics that matter. Until next time, keep writing and keep growing.